Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, 10th class. Hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss function of kidney. Okay, we have discussed functional unit of kidney in our previous class. That is nephron. Okay, this is nephron. We have discussed its structure. As you know, nephron is made up of two parts: renal corpuscle and renal tubule. Renal corpuscle is divided into two parts like glomerulus and Bowman's capsule, and then renal tubule is divided into three parts: proximal convoluted tubules, loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubules. Okay, now we will discuss its function, how urine is formed in the nephron. Basically, the function of kidney is form the urine. Okay, is formation of urine is the function of kidney. Okay, how urine is formed? Actually, there are different steps, and there are three major steps which are involved in the formation of urine in kidney. That is, first step is pressure filtration, selective reabsorption, and tubular secretion. Okay, these are the three steps involved in the formation of urine. First is pressure filtration, second is selective reabsorption, third one is tubular secretion. Okay, first step is pressure filtration. Okay, first of all, blood from the kidney enter into the glomerulus. Okay, through renal artery, blood from the kidney enter into the glomerulus, and in glomerulus there is a very high pressure, and there are different materials like water, salt, glucose, and urea. Because of this pressure, they will move out from the glomerulus capillaries. Okay. Then after that, from glomerulus, first of all, blood will come into the glomerulus. This is glomerulus. Okay, and then after glomerulus, it will move into the next part, which is called the Bowman's capsule. Okay, Bowman's capsules, when it comes into the Bowman's capsule, the material is called glomerular filtrate. Okay, the material that passes into the Bowman's capsule from the glomerulus after pressure filtration, it is called the glomerular filtrate. Okay, so first step, glomerular filtrate is formed in pressure filtration. Okay, next step after that is selective reabsorption. This selective reabsorption take place in the next part of the nephron, that is tubular part, in proximal convoluted tubule and loop of Henle, and in distal convoluted tubule. So second step of the urine formation is the selective reabsorption. Selective reabsorption means that 99% of the filtrate will move out from the kidney, and there is only 1% urine is formed from that. It means most of the material they will reabsorb. Reabsorb का क्या मतलब होता है? They will move back into the blood. वापस चला जाएगा. Only from 100% में से 99% जो है वो reabsorb हो जाता है, और only 1% will form the urine. Okay, तो in selective reabsorption, 99% of the glomerular filtrate is reabsorbed into the blood capillaries which surrounded the renal tubule. Okay, this selective reabsorption take place by three different ways. Different processes are involved in it, like osmosis, diffusion, active transport. Okay, in different part of the nephron, different materials they reabsorb. For example, in proximal convoluted tubules, this is proximal convoluted tubules, in it water and glucose is reabsorbed. Okay, in proximal convoluted tubule, water and glucose is reabsorbed, and it is reabsorbed by active transport. Salt are reabsorbed by active transport, and water is by osmosis. And then in the loop of Henle has two limbs: descending limb and ascending limb. In descending limb, water will reabsorb, and in ascending limb, salt will reabsorb. Okay, and in next, after this, material will move to the next part, which is called as distal convoluted tubule. In distal convoluted tubules, water is reabsorbed. So reabsorption of water is take place in distal convoluted tubule. So now urine will come now here in this portion which is called the collective duct. Okay, collective duct में आ जाएगा. Then now next process will take place which is called the tubular secretion. So tubular secretion basically is the third step in the formation of urine. Okay, third step in the formation of urine is tubular secretion. In tubular secretion there are different ions like creatinine, urea. They will move into the urine from the blood. Okay, and this basically is done to maintain the pH of the blood about 7.3 to 4.5. Okay, so different ions like creatinine, urea, etc. they will move into the renal tubule, and this to maintain the pH of the urine. Okay, after this urine is formed, and this will be collected in collecting duct and then into the pelvis. Okay, this is the diagram which shows the reabsorption of different materials. For example, there are different materials where they are reabsorbed. It is shown in this figure. Okay, and there is another information that at the final stage urine is only 1% of the originally filtered volume. Okay, as we have discussed, 99% will be reabsorbed. The typical volume of urine produced by an average adult is about 1.4 liter per day. Okay, and this is the normal composition of the urine. ये भी आप लोगों ने learn करना है. How much percent water is present in the urine? 95%. Urea 9.3 gram per liter. Chloride ion 1.87 gram per liter. Sodium ion 1.17 gram per liter. Potassium ion 0.750 gram per liter. And other ions and compounds variable amounts. Okay, you will learn it. This is very important regarding paper. Okay, Allah Hafiz from today.